Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. How we doing, boys and gal? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another live stream today. We're gonna look at. Hold on, let me just do one thing. Boom, boom. All right, boys. Hello. How we doing? I'm doing well. How are you, bro? Let's wait till a few more people pull up. Welcome back. What day is today? It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday, mate. All right. Let's get it cracking. Let's get it fucking cracking, boys. The 200k account is sitting at. Hold on. The 200k account is currently sitting at plus 1%, so or like 1.8%. We're currently up $1,800 on that account. Nothing too crazy, just chilling there. Let me see what chat is saying. Let me do this. Hold on, give me 1 sec. Yo. Guys, let me just say one thing. Check this void out, bro. Check that fucking out, boys. Yesterday we drew this void. We're like, we initially took sells from here. Did not play out. Got stopped at a break even. And I was like, if this doesn't work out, we will sell from the void. We came up to the void, but I wasn't looking at the charts. I was at the gym. This was at 7 p.m. That's exactly when I work out. So I didn't see it. But if you guys were on stream and you had this zone marked up like I did, look at that, bro. Like, nobody else predicts gold like this. It's insane. Look at this. Boom. And then rejection from this area as well. And then break below this area and just sell. So, beautiful plays yesterday drawn out for you. Afternoon. Good afternoon, bro. My point of interest is the imbalance which is located in its premium range. The fuck does that mean? Hello, Grace. But yeah, boys, that yesterday's analysis was spot on. I'm gonna make another analysis today. Although the zones are still holding up pretty well, so I don't really think I even need to, but I'll do it anyways. First, let me see if there's any comps. Or if we had any comps this morning. Oh, we had a comp like 1 hour ago on UJ. Beautiful comp. Hopefully one of y'all took it. Beautiful comp. Very good RR as well. Very small stop loss because stop loss a bit above this high. Small stop loss. We did 1-to-1. Beautiful. Yo, it's so funny that if you just learn the compensation play, you're like literally a profitable trader. Check AUD USD. Yeah, I checked AUD USD. It wasn't really. The thing is, if you want to take this compensation play, your stop loss would have to be up here. Right there. Right, you can take the comp. You can take the comp for sure, without a doubt. But your stop loss would have to be up there. There's no other logical stop loss. So that's that, because if you were to take this position, it would have looked like this. That's how it would have looked like. So you still would have been, like right now, you still would have been pretty okay. Let me see, what I would do on doing gold. Let me see, look at the daily. How did the daily close yesterday? Okay, daily closed very bullish yesterday. Daily closed very bullish, guys. As you see, the daily is currently respecting these lows, right? Daily close respecting these lows, which indicates that you're currently looking to create this uptrend right here, like so, right? So right now the daily is looking to want to come up and create a new higher high, right? Because obviously when on an uptrend you have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? Right now you have a higher low being created, and the next step after a higher low is obviously a higher high. So looking for the daily to actually come up at least to this area today. So 3,360 or 55 is my area for the daily. So I'm very bullish today on gold. Just gonna look for buys, strictly buys. But again, we have this decision area up at 3,346, which hasn't gotten tapped yet. Look at this beautiful area. This area hasn't gotten tapped yet, which indicates to me that we're gonna tap it, because decision areas are like checkpoints. Price has to tap those areas before moving in the other direction. So I'm expecting us to tap this area at least today, and even further, to be honest. So yeah, I'm just gonna focus on buys today, boys. The 15 just closed above, waiting for probably a retest to keep coming up. The 30-minute is not imbalanced because you've canceled each other out here. So the 30-minute does look imbalanced if you just look at this side, but if you look at the side, you see that they've canceled each other out. So the 30 is actually not imbalanced. The 30 is moving on in a pretty balanced fashion. If you look at the 5, same thing. So yeah, boys. I'm gonna look for, let's see. Gonna look for no wick plays up, I'm gonna be honest. Probably I'm gonna look for buys above this void right here. So once we break above this void, I want to look for buys above to fill the range up until this decision area at 3,346. Those are my plans. You've been smoking, brother? No, I haven't been smoking. Why do people say that? What makes you think I've been smoking? Did you talk about voice in the boot camp? No, that's strictly for the playbook. Your eyes glazed and red as fuck. Oh my days, bro. No, I don't smoke, chat. Is it that bad, chat? God damn it, bro. No, I don't smoke. I don't know why my eyes look like that. The thing is, chat, I'm gonna be honest. One thing with me. One thing I hate with me. One of my flaws is that when I wake up, it takes me like 3 hours to look normal. That's one thing with me. It like, cause I woke up 3 hours ago, but it takes me so long to like fully wake up. Like my body to fully wake up to look. So it looks like I'm a real human. Like I've woken up 2 hours. I've woken up 2 hours before school. I've gone to school and people are like, "Oh, look at Bart, he just woke up." I'm like, "No, you fuck. I woke up 2 hours ago." I don't know why. Shit's like dude. For some reason, I just can't wake up, or like my body. It takes such a long time to wake up. I feel like I'm like 80 years old. But that's why I have some green tea here. He for sure smokes. No, I don't. I've never actually even tried smoking. Go for a morning run. That's a good idea, actually. You sleep down well. I think it's the opposite. I think I sleep very poorly. No, honestly, chat, I think I sleep. My sleep is really bad, chat. I sleep very bad. I'm sleep deprived and I have high stress. So I don't think. I think it's the opposite. I think I have really bad sleep, and that's why it takes me such a long time to wake up. But I'm a night owl. Like I'm for sure a night owl. I know I'm a night owl. I'm the least morning person in the world. Take melatonin tea or something. Yeah, I know I have to, bro. I have to start doing something because my sleep is so ass. It's not that I can't fall asleep. I can't fall asleep. It's that whenever I sleep, the quality of my sleep is so poor, bro. I wake up, I'm so tired. I wake up groggy. It takes me like 2 hours, 3 hours to fully wake up. It's like, dude. How old are you now, Bart? I'm 22. But I feel like I'm 35. How do you confidence with DXY, please? You look how the correlation is, how strong the correlation is. So usually gold and DXY are inversely correlated. So when gold goes up, DXY goes down, right? In a similar volume. But if one time you see that DXY is moving up a lot, but gold is only moving down a little bit, that means that once the DXY moves down a little bit, the gold will move up a lot, right? And that means that gold is inherently strong this day. Same thing. If the DXY moves down a little bit, like so, and gold moves up a lot, that means that once DXY moves up a lot, the gold will move down a little bit, etc. So they're always inversely correlated, but sometimes the correlations differs, you know. So that's how you do it. You ever tried Mamba FX strat? No. What strat does he even have? Like I don't know, trend lines, or what strat does he have? I don't know. This is the position I'm looking for, chat. Breakout. No, I've never tried Mamba FX strat. Is it good? This comp does look nice. Fuck, I would have taken this comp, chat. The GU comp looks so nice, but we didn't tap it because you have an imbalance with you. The UJ comp was beautiful as well. What do you think about shorting Euro JPY? You guys always give me these random ass pairs. Oh, damn. I've actually made an analysis on this. When was this? Damn. This must have been a while ago. Let me see. Shorting Euro JPY. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. It looks real good to short. I ain't gonna lie. You have this proportional wick, right? We have a very small no wick here. You have a very small wick here compared to the previous one, which means that you have room to fill down. You have range to fill down. You also have a compensation play, which again is not a valid compensation play because you're against the trend, but it's still a comp nonetheless. But this flip is what intrigues me. And if this was gold, I would have been in there like swimwear. Do I have any use today, chat? No news. Beautiful. I've traded this pair quite good, but it's goofy. That's why I quit. Yeah, it's goofy. That's a funny way to describe a pair. Yeah, same thing with GJ. GJ is goofy as well. That's why I don't trade GJ anymore. I like GJ. Hey, to each their own, man. But DJ for me, GJ has traumatized me. DJ has traumatized me in ways which I can't even explain. So I'm not. I never want to touch GJ again. You hold any crypto? Oh, you don't. Oh, it's like GJ. I thought you said I like GJ. You hold any crypto? No. Right now, no crypto. Last I saw you was 2 years ago, back in 2023, when I started my Forex journey. You've grown, my man. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. Hey, that's super nice to hear, man. That made me happy. Made me smile. Euro JPY is similar to GBP JPY. Yeah, then fuck both those pairs. 46 watching, please like. Yeah, boys, please like. I always tell people this. Liking a video is like the biggest ROI you can get. Like, you bring someone so much joy from the click of a button. So if you guys just click a button, you click like, I'll be super happy and you guys won't even waste a calorie. Yeah, UJ is looking nice. UJ is also looking really good to come down. We're still very high up on gold. Like, we have a lot of history. We have a lot of data to go off of, but you guys gotta remember, we're still super high on gold. Green stuff makes trading better. Is that true, chat? Does weed make trading better? I don't know. Maybe it does, because maybe you care less. Or maybe you're like more... maybe you're more like chill with being in drawdown and stuff like that. Maybe you're not as imposed. I don't know. The futures price action is whack. Might come back to Forex, but I don't know yet. I think... I haven't tried futures, but Forex always... Right now, Forex price action is really good, in my opinion. There was this guy that literally streamed gold every day, and I remembered, I think his name was Bard, and you're still streaming. Insane dedication and consistency. Of course, bro. I love this shit. Bart, put some background music on low volume. All right, listen, I can put background music, chat. If you guys want it to be more entertaining, so your fried dopamine system has something to watch, sure, I can put background music. But first, I need to know if there's any copyright-free background music, because every single time I put background music, I always get copyright strike. Every single time. So let me know, because I don't want to get copyright strike, because then I get shadow banned, and people don't see my content. Stream on Twitch then? No. Does not work. Nobody uses Twitch, bro. It works. Donvo streams there. Yeah, but he does not get the same amount of views he used to on YouTube. YouTube is just the best place to stream, bro. I'm not gonna switch to Twitch. There's no way. I'll just have to find some copyright-free music. Yo, if there's any music producer in chat, if you guys make music, send it to me and I'll play it on my stream. And don't copyright strike me. Sorry, waiting for the retest before entering? Yes. Well, I'm waiting for us to break this void, and then I'm waiting for us to... I'll be down to enter up above this void to fill the range up to 3,346. And then I'll take sells from 3,346 down. That's my plan. I started compensation play video 2 weeks ago. Your RR is only one? What do you mean only one? I back tested it with 2 RR and it's pretty positive on USD, JPY, and AUD. What do you think about that? Well, I have back tested this shit a lot, and the boys on Discord, we together in QTC have back tested this a lot, and it's the fact of the matter is that 1-to-1 RR is just the best. So, what I think about a 2 RR, I think it's not as good as a 1 RR. Because sure, you might get a better, like you might win more than you lose, but you do not win as often as you do when you have 1 RR. And that's a fact. I mean, bro, just imagine all the people that they use a compensation play. None of, like, everybody uses it at a 1-to-1 RR. Everybody. Is it just me or is it super low volume? Right? I'm not tripping, right, chat? It's super low volume. Sells from 3,337. No. We've already rejected that void once. So I'm not going to take the chance on rejecting there again. I want to see a break above and a tap into this decision area. So I'm looking for sells from 3,346.4 instead. What's up, Squid Bard? I haven't heard that in a while. You misspelled it as well, but I understood what you meant. Squid Bard. I mean, if you see a trend continuation, so you can hold for longer in some cases. I had a 1-to-2, 1-to-3 RR count, but it doesn't happen often. If price action is really good, like you have a crazy imbalance, or you have, like he said, a trend continuation, you can hold the compensation play. But most of the time, it's better to just leave it at a 1-to-1 and just either stop loss or take profit. London cooked a 50-minute comp today. Amazing push. Yeah, I saw that. Bro, London is just the best for the comp, man. Excuse me, bro. I meant SpongeBob. Oh. London is just the best for the comp, chat. I'm gonna be honest for y'all. Volume's gonna get better, hopefully. Hopefully, because right now gold is, it's like, it feels like I'm watching paint dry. This comp was beautiful, man. Like you would have taken this comp like this, boom, entered right there. Stop loss would have been just about this high. Take profit would have been. This is a comp where we would have been. This is a comp where you would have been able to have a more than a 1-to-1 RR. This particular comp, because once you rejected from this level, you had so much room to come down. So you would have easily been able to get like a 2 RR on this comp. Because also your stop loss was so small. Let's see. I think hopefully we get a position soon. If volume starts coming in soon, we'll start getting a position. We can start getting positions. Especially on gold. Can you check wheat? Bro. Why? You see, here's the thing I don't get. Wheat. Like that has to be a joke. You have to be sarcastic. There's no way you trade wheat. I swear people just get bored. On God, I think this is what happens. People get bored of pairs. They watch gold, there's low volume, like fuck, let me trade some random ass shit. They go trade wheat. No, I'm not gonna check wheat. Yeah, that's disgusting. That's actually repulsing. Let me never look at that again. Thank you. Hello, bro. Hello, man. All pairs you're looking at? Yes, I'm looking at ADUSD, GPUSD, USDJPY, and XAU USD. Nah, bro, I must be kicked out with these chat. That's what I'm saying. Who trades wheat, chat? Come on, get a grip. Also, that shit was untradeable. Did you guys see what did it look like that? Why was there so many comps? Don't you find the non-gold pairs to be low to pips? I2 pips? Low to pips. Too low pips? Bro. Can you please re-ask that question? I see not only my English is bad today. Bro, type that with bad English. What is a comp? A comp is one of the entry models which we have here at QTC. Or it's quite frankly the best Forex entry model ever created. By the way, boys, the promo is still running on Next Level Fund. You can still get a 20k account for $20, which is an insane offer. Link in bio for that. But yeah, most of you guys don't know that I actually literally run a prop firm as well. And we're running insane deals, and we're the fastest growing prop firm in the industry right now. Link in bio. You can get a 20k account for $20. And also, if you use code USDT together with any other code you want, you can be entered into a $1,000 giveaway. Don't you find the non-gold pairs to be low in terms of the pips compared to gold? Small movements, many pips. Yeah, I mean, yes, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Let's say I want to enter this, like that. Pips don't matter, chat. Because you can always calculate lot size. Right? Let's say I want to enter this position right here, a sell. Like so, right? You can say, oh, it's only 20 pips, which is a small amount. Sure, it's a small amount on gold, but on GPUSD that's pretty decent amount. So what I can do is just I increase my lot size on GBPUSD. Very simple. I increase my lot size on GBPUSD, and I'm done. So no, it's not a problem because I just increase my lot size. Obviously, I don't trade the same lot size on gold and these Forex pairs. On Forex pairs, I just increase my lot size by a shit ton. But yeah, it doesn't affect me. So why you not want to sell gold now? Does anybody in chat speak like good English? I want not sell gold because it has not tapped my area, bro. There's no like there's not it's not my position. I'm Bangladeshian. Yeah. There's no reason for me to sell gold. I don't see, it's not a part of my playbook, it's not a part of my entry. Hold on, chat. Hold on. Thank you. Thank you, chat. Explain more on the comp thing. No need. There's a video on my YouTube. Go check out the video on my YouTube. Nah, chat. You know what? It's pollen. That's why, chat. That's why it looks like I'm baked. It's pollen, bro. Pollen is fucking me up lately, chat. Wear a gas mask. It's spelled W-E-R-A-A-E-A-R. You just asked where the gas mask is. Where a gas mask? I don't know where the gas mask is. On God, chat, y'all gotta learn to speak English. On God, chat, y'all gotta learn English, bro. This shit is getting ridiculous. You also used to be inspired by Don Vo. Who's that? I'm in longs for. Bro, why'd you delete the message? I was gonna look where you longed for. Bro, got scared. I was like, no, I misspelled something. He's gonna go after me. I don't know. Sometimes I go dumb on English, but it happens when I speak my own language. So it is what it is. Yeah, man. I'm just kidding, boys. I'm just kidding. As long as I can understand what you mean. I'm just pulling your like. All right. Come on now, GBP USD. I'm in longs for gold since 3,328. Hold till 3,340. Yeah, I would hold 3,340. If you're from 28, yeah. I'm long on gold from 3,316.47. Good shit, guys. Good shit, guys. Damn. Y'all be cooking, man. I can't lie, y'all be cooking. And we're gonna cook too, chat. Just wait. We're gonna cook too. Just hold your horses. Let price action do its thing. Let us get some volume in the market, and we'll jump into position very soon. Looking nice and wet, bro. Keep it up. What's up with these things? First I look high, now I'm wet. Do I actually look wet? Oh my days. Fucking hell. I swear, chat, y'all are my biggest enemies. Y'all are my ops, chat. Y'all are my biggest ops. First of all, why was nobody gonna tell me I was muted? But I just turned on stream and Barta looking at me like, are you related to Zlatan Ibrahimovic? No, I'm not. Do I look like I'm related? Yo, stop objectifying me, chat. Alright? I'm more than just an object. You're entering GU too? Entering GU. No, I'm not entering GU. No. It's way overdue, that compensation. Don't crash out. It was a compliment. How is wet a compliment? Thank you. I guess thank you. But how is wet a compliment? Please enlighten me. I don't want to look wet. You're muted? No, I'm not. Yo, chat, I don't ask a lot from you, chat. I ask you guys to do one thing, alright? Two things. I ask you guys to do two things, alright? I ask you guys to like the video, and then I also want you guys to tell me when I'm muted quickly. Alright? I don't, because I've been muted for, there's been times I've been muted for 40 minutes. Nobody's told me shit. And I've been talking to myself for 40 minutes, and then somebody's like, oh, you're muted, by the way. You know Zlatan? Of course I know Zlatan. You should see him on the field. Yeah, chat, I'd cook y'all in football. Y'all don't even know. Muted, by the way. So funny. Where's Omar, bro? Omar is moving. So Omar got deported back to Lebanon. Because he's originally not from Sweden, so he got deported back to his home country, unfortunately. How many around the world can you do in a row? Like, I don't know, 50? Messi, Ronaldo, of course. Maybe he meant hot, not wet. But why would he say wet, though? Like, you don't actually type wet. Intentions there, delivery is wrong. I mean, I guess he said wet was 1000% meant. You see? He did mean wet. And I'm not wet. I swear to God I'm not wet, chat. I swear on my mom's life I'm not wet right now. I do look fried though. That guy that said I was high earlier, he kind of had a point. Why do I look fried, chat? Yo, I gotta like wash my face or something. Holy shit. I'm definitely not wet though. Oh yeah, Donvo DVS was top streamer on YouTube who made $1 million on stream, but there was this whole drama over here. Like, oh, okay, cool. It is hot in Sweden. Is that a question or a statement? Because it's not hot in Sweden. If it was a question, I can answer. It's not hot in Sweden. If it's a statement, you're lying. Oh! Hold on, chat. We're moving, chat. We're moving. Let me lock in. Enough with the question like actually. No, it's not hot in Sweden. It's actually cold. Or it's, I don't know if you want to call it cold, but it's 16 degrees Celsius. So it's neither hot or cold. It's like mid. You can't go out in a t-shirt. You have to go, you can't go out, like, it's like hoodie weather. But yeah, boys, we're about to get a position here. So be ready. Where does gold need to close to move up, you think? Close above this void. So close above 3,338.8. 16 in June is tough. Yeah, I know. Massage your eyes. I don't think it worked. I think it's worse. Oh, why did I do that? Is it better, chat? That shit made it so much worse. Now I'm high. Like really high. Oh. Not gonna lie, I feel scammed. Been waiting 9 months for this shit. Not what you been waiting? Oh, what's that? A fucking oh. What you been waiting 9 months on, bro? Huh? I didn't even look that high after 20 joint rotation for. Yeah, I don't know why I look high, chat. It's actually not good at all. Cause I gotta go to like a family thing at 5, so like 3 hours. I gotta go to like a family thing, like it's like a party ish. I can't look high. Stream it. What? Why'd you guys make me an IRL stream? Just underneath, bar, not the eyeballs. Oh, okay, because that shit hurt like a bitch. I don't know. I was massaging my eyeballs. Warm up the eyebrows. Underneath. Do you smoke though? No, I've never smoked in my life. I just look like I do. Apparently, I just figured that out today. Okay, now I massage my eyes. Nah, I'm still red, bro. I doubt there'll be any shorts until today, until Trump comes on tonight. Yeah, no, probably. Ooh, we're pushing up heavy here, chat. Like I said, probably gonna fill this range very quickly. Dude, it's so sad that this wasn't a comp. We had this nipple wick. If this had no nipple wick, this would have been a beautiful comp right here, chat, because he did close above. Get a head. Imagine I pull up to the family party with a GoPro on my head. Personally, I would have waited for the 4-hour candle to close above the 3,337 level and now look for long position, just in my opinion. You would have waited for the 4-hour candle to close above. Well, it's closing above now, bro. Time frame 4-hour. Yeah, I was looking at the 4-hour. The previous 4-hour did not close above, but this 4-hour is about to close above. Oh, I was in the hourly. My bad. 4-hour. Like I said, boys, the daily continuation is bound to happen. So I want to prioritize buys, to be honest with you. Probably gonna see a rejection off of this decision area right here at 3,346. But after that, we should see a pretty good move up. Do you take partials? No. I either let it hit stop loss or take out profit, or I move stop loss or break even and let it hit break even. It's the pollen. Yeah, I think it's the pollen. I'm pretty sure it's the pollen. Not. Bro, I'm not gay, but you are very wet. Why is that emoji wet? Another guy calling me wet. Can't catch a break. Can't catch a break today. Personal capital funded, both. Both. No, low key chat. I wish I could have background music. The silence is too loud. How do you trade on both though? I have one on my phone and one on my PC. So I trade my live account on my phone, and I trade my funded on my PC. Wait, you'll short, right? Yeah, I'm looking to short. So I'm gonna go down to the 5 minutes and see how it reacts here. I meant you are attractive. Thank you. I thought you meant I was wet, because that's definitely not true. I'm not wet, chat. I'm not wet. Like, I'm super dry. I'm the opposite right now. Long from the bottom, lol, huh? I'm not sure what you meant by that, Grace. GU making comp? No way. There's no way. Oh. Alright, guys. We have a possible position here. Yeah, I'm tweaking. Boom. Possible compensation play. Thank you for notifying me. So take the exact same position on both accounts? Yes. The US economy is is heading for a difficult summer, warns the Wall Street Journal. At issues are constant changes in the country's trade policies and the instability of President Donald Trump. So you mean gold is coming up? Can you do a handstand? Yes, I can do a handstand, but I'm not gonna do a handstand. I've already done that on stream. Yo, you trying to bait me, bro? I've already done a handstand on stream, chat, multiple times. You guys know about that, so do it right now. I knew I was gonna say that. No, I'm not gonna do a fucking handstand. All right, there's no way. There's not enough room. Actually, there's not enough room in my room right now. Like, cause my PC and my desk is like right at the wall. Like, here's the wall. It's the wall, so I don't have any space to do a handstand. Otherwise, I would. Do a wall stand? What's a wall stand? No, bro. Imagine if I fall back on my PC. No. You just need slightly bigger lips and you would be. What the fuck? So stop objectifying me, man. That's weird as fuck. I mean, yo, the looks maxer community gotta be stopped, chat. I swear to God. That's mad weird, bro. Yeah, I'm getting uncomfortable, chat. I swear to God, I'm getting uncomfortable. Bro, I'm still sitting watching the streams when I'm on vacation far from the city by the river cabin, smoking a Cuban cigar with a beautiful dog, and I'm still thinking about trades. Hey, that's trading, bro. I swear to God, that's trading. That's the story of every trader's life. It doesn't matter where you're at, what you're doing. The charts are always going to be on your mind. Bro, not in a weird way, I promise. All right, bro. I'll take your word for it. Thank you, I guess. Yo, I'm still thinking about doing a wall stand. I swear to God, it kind of inspired me. Can I do a wall stand here, chat? No, I can't. I can't. There's no fucking way. There's no fucking way. That was fucking retarded. I think I can. Yo! My charger, bro. Yo! The fuck happened to my charger? I like, is it inside my foot? Yo, what the fuck? That shit hurt though. I ain't gonna lie, that shit hurt. Okay, first of all, what happened? Like, I have to check if something broke. My charger broke. Look, it's inside the charger. There's no, like, nothing is I can peel it back. Yo, what the fuck? Like, where's the head of... Oh, is it in my phone? Please don't say it's my phone. I think... Chat, this is not good, bro. Why did you tell me to do a handstand? And why did I listen? Chat, the charger, the head of the charger, like the thing that's supposed to go inside the phone, is gone. And it's stuck inside the phone hole. Like the charging port. What the fuck do I do? Where is it? Where is it? How is that even possible, man? No, it's not. It's right. Oh, look at this. Like, what? How is that even a thing? Yeah. Good shit, Bart. That's what you get for being fucking stupid. Oh, I have to find a new charger. All right, boys. That was that. No more handstands for today. That was it. I think I broke my foot and I also destroyed my charger and I spilled tea. So handstand failed and a bunch of other shit also happened. So never doing that again. Don't ask me to do a handstand again. We got gold. Almost tapping our sell levels. So we'll probably get a sell on gold very soon. Hey, at least now I'm awake, chat. No, you know what? The handstand might be good because now I'm awake. I'm awake now. I was high. Now I'm not high. Now I'm locked. Now I'm dialed. Ship it to me in Bangladesh. I'll fix it. No need, bro. It'll be cheaper. I swear to God, it's cheaper to buy a new charger than to ship something to Bangladesh. Very convincing with that username, bud. Oh yeah, that's true. Alright, everybody. You're selling based on what criteria? I'm selling based off a decision area. So as you guys see, we have a decision area here, which means that every single time you tap this area, price makes a big hasty move. There hasn't been a single time, almost not a single time you've tapped this area and not rejected. If you look in the past, boom, 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 boom. So looking to do the same right now. Otherwise, very secure sells are from 3,362 as well. But the chance that you'll come up there today is very low. So I'm probably looking for short-term sells from 47, 46, and then I'm looking for buys after this rejection. So we're going to wait for slight rejection, take that rejection, and then look for buys. That's the plan. What's your TP again, Bard? If on this position, let's see, if we were to take a sell, TP would probably probably something like this, I'll say. I wouldn't expect us to tap the full range down. I just expect us to do something like this. So this would probably be my position. My decision level is at 47. Yep, all pretty much the same as me. And above there's 3,360. Yeah, exactly. The same decision levels as me. Good shit, bro. GU comp playing out. Did GU comp play out? Oh, okay. It's tapping the comp. It's not playing out. I'm probably gonna enter this GU comp chat. GU comp looks really nice. Very late now, yeah. Yeah, this is a little late, chat. See if we come back now, we'll enter. Stop loss would be below here, below 3,300, 1.34783. 3, 5, 1, 7, 4. All right, boys, I'm gonna enter this position right here. On GBP/USD, you have the imbalance with you, so I have an imbalance all the way up here. Boom, to that wick right there. You also have a compensation play. You also have formed a bullish trend on the 15-minute, and the DXY is currently bearish. So DXY should move up. So yeah, that's my entry right there, chat, on GBP/USD. Just enter right off the comp once we retapped it. Sorry, but what's the comp setup? The comp setup is a entry model for my playbook. You can learn it on my YouTube channel. But yeah, I'm in this, baby. We're in this. Now we just wait. Best of luck. Thank you. Gold question mark. Gold is rejecting before my before the decision area, so not much we can do on gold. We just have to wait on that. I think my enter was like there. Comp 1.39. Okay. The only issue is the 4, but the 4 still looks like it needs to retap a little higher. I still believe the 4 needs to retap a little higher than this. We're gonna probably see some drawdown, chat, so be ready for that. Yeah, the 4 is the only thing that doesn't look good. The 4 is the only thing that doesn't look good, but all other time frames do look decent. No. Really? Hey Bart, are you in the trade? Yes, we are in this trade. Or I'm in this trade. Okay, nice 5-minute closure. 5-minute did not break structure. Just tap below this compensation line and cross it twice. So the 5-minute is looking good. Let's hope that the XY starts pushing down as well. Okay, not bad 5 closure. Not bad 5 closure so far. If structure shifts, do you ever cut losses a little early? Yes. If it's really bad, if it's looking really bad, and if structure shifts, like if it's looking really bearish, I'll cut losses. Like if you see, let's say you see a 5-minute candle start closing below here, and it start doing something like this, then I'd obviously cut losses. But so far the 5-minute close respecting, so shouldn't be a problem. Spreads did kind of mess me up a little bit here, chat. So I'm that's the entry on my funded account is a little higher up than I wanted to. Because like we're here right now on TradingView, but right now we're still in $36 in drawdown or $45 in drawdown. But that's not doesn't make a big difference. Like it's not going to be a win or lose. Like it's not going to be the difference between winning or losing. What's gold doing? Okay, gold is coming down. Interesting. Oh, we are moving at snail speed. Wait, if the 30-minute flips, that'd be great. Even if the hourly flips, I don't think the hourly has time to flip, but if the 30-minute flips, that'd be great for us. It'd be really, really good. Super slow price action. Like super, 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 super boring price action. Has the 5-minute candle closed? The previous 5 closed, yes. New 5-minute is probably going to close below here somewhere. Do have a strong area here though. Right around there. It's a very strong area, so should see a rejection, pretty nice rejection off of that area. Right now it's just filling the wick on the 5, so not too worried about that. The 15 is not breaking structure yet. Might want to come down and tap this comp right here, chat. Hey, what do you think about the signal is wrong, is it? Oh, yeah, it is. What do you think about AI trading? Because that's what the institutes are doing right now. Yeah, the AI trading is the future. Obviously, AI is going to pretty much be a part of every single industry, whether that's trading, whether that's whatever it is, the automobile industry. Trading AI is going to be a part of it, so naturally it's going to be a part of AI, of trading as well. I think it's the future, bro. I think anybody that has trading expertise and anybody that knows how to code AI and how to use AI will have a huge advantage in the future. But that's why we are working on an AI here at QTC. That's why we're working on a bot, because we do believe in AI. We do believe AI is the future of trading as well. So we're trying to capitalize on it and be ahead of the curve. But yes, I think AI is going to have a huge part of trading in the future. Because at the end of the day, AI and algorithms in general help remove the biggest issue in trading, which are emotions. Obviously, AIs just do what they're told, right? They have a system, they have a programming, they do the programming, they don't feel anything, they don't do anything other than their programming, and that's what you want as a trader as well. You don't want to do anything other than what your system says. You want to operate based off of a system, based off an objective system, and that's what AI and algorithms are so good at doing. So that's why they will have a huge upper hand in the future against retail traders, especially when everybody learns how to use AI. It will be, yeah. Give me a shout out on live stream. Shout out Daniel Kimani. Yeah, so tell me more details about QTC bot. I can't tell you a lot of details right now, but all I'm gonna say it's currently performing really well, and it's based off of the compensation play. That's what I can tell you. Okay, so the 5 minute is slowly forming a bearish trend. Let's see. Hopefully we can break the highs on the 5. That'll be ideal. A strong bullish closure like this on the 5 would be very nice. Because I don't like that no wick on the 15 either. Alright, hold on, chat. I'm gonna just use the restroom. I'll be back in 1 minute. By the way, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. What are you doing? What's your TP again? TP is 1.35188. Okay, the 5 minutes is about to close in 50 seconds. Still forming that kind of a bullish, bearish trend on the 5. Again, we do need the 5 to break this high right here. Because otherwise it's still forming this pattern of lower highs and lower lows. But at least one strong bullish 5 closure is pretty decent. Let's just not hope this 15 flips. The 1 minute broke structure at least. Dude, my entry was so bad, bro. Alright, 5 closed. New 5 opened. Not a good opening or closure, to be honest, because it's still looking mad bearish on the 5. Let's hope we start seeing some break of structure. On the 1 minute, 1 minute looks good at least. But he did reject hard off this area. 30 minute flip would be amazing. 30-minute flip would be amazing. Can I enter this now with you? Of course, if you want to enter with me, you can enter with me. I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'll just kind of show you guys what I'm doing. And it's up to you to do whatever you want. Come on, 30. Just flip already. Oop. There's a 30 flip. All right, not bad, not bad. 30 just flip, chat. 5 minute rebroke its own high. Let's see, please break structure. 5 minute. 1 minute is creating that upwards trend. All right. If the next 5 minute BE seems fair, I don't think BE seems fair just yet. I do still want to see the 5 minute break above this, close above here. Almost then I move stop loss break even because we can still retest. All right, we do. Again, until the 5 breaks structure, chat, I'm still not super confident. I'll be confident once we close above here on the 5. Then I'll be confident. The 30 has flipped, but it reflipped down. If the 30 closes bearish, you'll probably see a wick fill as well. So, still not super confident on the 5, chat. Still not super confident. The 1 minute looks good. Now you see the 5 is rejecting because it's following the trend. But again, you do have this imbalance you should tap into. Like you should definitely tap into at least this area right here. Because there's nothing on either side here. It's literally just an imbalance. So alright, last minute of the 5. Come on now. Come on, 5. You know what to do, baby. Come on, baby. You know what to do. Okay, okay, okay. 20 seconds left for the 5. Not looking too bad. We're moving, baby. We're moving. 12 seconds. 9, 8, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. We got a break of structure on the 5. Beautiful. We closed above the most recent higher low or lower high, which is beautiful. So yeah, boys, I guess we'll just ride this hopefully till full TP. We do have this imbalance that is tapping into. Should fill the range all the way up to this red line. And yeah, halfway to TP. Let's fucking get it, boys. I'm not going to move stop loss or break even yet because I do believe you can still retest here because that'll be a head and shoulders pattern, as you guys see. So I still think you can make this head and shoulders pattern and retest the break even point, the entry. Therefore, I'm not gonna move stop loss or break even yet. I'm gonna wait a bit. What's TP? TP is 1.35188. Currently up $700 on this trade. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Again, the 1 minute is probably going to see a retest. DXY is dumping, I'm guessing. Yeah, DXY is dumping, that's why we're pushing so hard, which is really good. DXY does have room to dump all the way to here, which should bring us pretty close to TP. There's the flip on the 5. All right, we're probably going to see a retest now. And then once we re-break the highs, that's when we'll move stop loss to break even. Because you'll probably see something like this happen. Or something like this. And then once we re-break these highs, right there, we'll move stop loss to break even. Because then there's no point in us re-breaking the lows again. Because we've already retested. Ooh, the 1 hour wick fill is not... the 1 hour wick fill is not looking too ideal either. Hopefully this plays out within the next hour because I have to go in an hour. So ideally, we're out of this position before I have to go because I don't want to leave you guys in a position when I'm not on stream. Hey Bar, to determine the daily bias using key levels? Yes, I do. Key levels, trend, decision areas, which are the same as key levels, just a little more strict, and then no wick candles and just a lot of things, man. Just my whole strategy, but mostly trend identification and key levels. Yes. All right, rebreak of the highs, and we should be good there. Rebreak of the highs, and that should be it for us. All right, bullish 30-minute closure. Not bad. Not bad 30-minute closure. All right, so we'll likely see the hourly fill the wick down. And then we'll see it probably flip. Something like that. But we do need a bottom wick on the 1 hour. A bottom wick on the 1 hour is ideal. We do not want to see the 1 hour move up without a bottom wick because that means it'll have a bigger chance of flipping. Okay, rebreak the highs. Nice, rebroke the highs. Beautiful 1-minute closure, continuation. Should be a pretty smooth ride to TP, chat. Should be a pretty smooth ride to TP. We're currently up around 900 bucks, 800 bucks. You see that 1 hour note, the 1 hour small bottom wick is the only thing that's the issue right now. All right, up 1K now. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Keep moving. Keep moving, baby. Seeing a rejection area right here on the 1 minute. Nothing we should be concerned about. The 5 minutes about to close. Looks good to sell here. All right, sell then. I think you should sell if it looks good to sell. After imbalance fill. Well, the thing is, I mean, it's pretty retarded to start looking for a trade while you're in a trade. So I'm not considering sells. I'm not considering buys. I'm focused on this current position. So I don't know. Maybe sells are good. That's not my problem right now. All right, we got a 5 closure. Good 5 closure. Above the range, above the most recent high. DXY did tap into that area, so the DXY is not looking too good right now for us. There's a chance that DXY starts rejecting here, because again, I marked up this area for a reason. So DXY is tapping into support. Check UJ comp possible. Yeah, that's a good UJ comp. That's a good UJ comp. But I think that's hourly. Yep, that's hourly flip. So that's the only problem. It's hourly flip on UJ. What's gold doing? Gold is... Oh, gold rejected. Right before our level. Fucking hell. When does a 1 hour comp becomes valid? The 1 hour comp becomes valid when... So... The comp is valid if there's not more than one time frame above that's a flip. So if the 1 hour comp needs to be valid, there can't be a flip on something higher than the 4 hour. Right? So if it's a 30-minute comp, if it's a 15-minute comp, the 1 hour can't be a flip. If it's a 30-minute comp, the 4 hour can't be a flip, right? But if it's a 30-minute comp and the 1 hour is a flip, that's fine. If it's a 15-minute comp and the 30 minutes a flip, that's fine. So you're only allowed to take the comp if there's just a flip on one time frame higher. If there's a flip on 2 time frames above, it's invalid. So for example, if you were to take a 15-minute comp and there's a flip on the 30-minute and the 1 hour, then that's invalid. Yo, who's in this trade with me, chat? I want to know which one of y'all in chat is in this trade with me. How you doing, bro? Yo, what's up, Omar? We got Omar in chat, boys. Doing well, bro. How are you, man? How's the moving going? You know how it is raining in... Ah, shit, it's raining in Jönköping? Fucking hell. That's tough, bro. Okay, that's not ideal, boys. The 1 hour just flipped. It's not ideal. The 5 minute had a big dump. The 1 minute broke structure in all time frames as well. Down to 25 right after. Yeah, it's dumping right now. It's dumping right now. Let's see what it does. Might need to get out of break even here if this shit keeps dumping like this. Ruining my drip, man. Bro, drip while moving is crazy. Okay, we're back at break even on this trade after being up 1k. Interesting. Crazy dumps on the 1 minute, huge candles. 2 candles wiped out the last half hour of moves. Let's see now, chat. You are tapping into resistance though, or support. And that's retesting on the 5 minute. On the 15. If we see a break of structure on the 5, then I'll probably get out of this trade. DXY is pumping like crazy. Look, tapped that zone perfectly and then pumped immediately. But I do think the DXY will probably just pump into this area somewhere around here. So we should see some drawdown, but then we should be good after. Alright, a reflip on the 30 would be pretty ideal. The 1 hour now I filled. That's why I said that 1 hour no bottom wick was the problem. That's what happens, chat. That's what happens when the 1 hour has pretty much no bottom wick. It has to create that bottom wick eventually, and that's what it did right now. Now, if we can get a reflip on the 1 hour and the flip on the 5, that would be ideal. And then we should be pretty safe. DXY also was super imbalanced, so eventually we're going to come up. But as long as we don't break the trend on the 5, we're good. If I see we do 15-minute no bottom wick, interesting. We do need to see some convincing moves to the upside for us to move stop loss or break even. Because at this point, I highly doubt we'll re-break these lows unless we're coming down. If we start closing above here again. Can you take a look at XAU USD? Of course. Nothing really happening. It's retesting right now because it made that imbalance after that push. So it's retesting right now on gold. I still think gold is coming up. I do think you're gonna probably retest down to this level right here, and then eventually you're gonna see something like this. You think this GU candle will flip or no? I have no idea, bro. I don't. Most likely. I mean, statistics say it will flip because that's just numbers of the no wick candles, but I can't predict that. TP or stop loss BE for the week. Yeah, I mean, we're not going to close the BE, but we're going to move stop loss or break even to make it risk-free if we see some decisive bullish action. Because then I don't see us re-breaking these lows. There wouldn't be a point for us re-breaking these lows, right? You already came down. You rejected here, which means you retested. You filled the imbalance you made when you pushed up. And now when you push up again, there shouldn't be a reason for you to re-break the lows unless you actually want to come down. Do you think this rejection on the 15-minute was because we tapped the fair value gap? I think it was because of the 1 hour no bottom wick and the wick fill. So the 1 hour closed bearish, as you see, the previous 1 hour, and this 1 hour had practically no bottom wick at all. So I do think it was a no wick combined with the flip or the wick fill. I think that was the reason for us coming down. But we're coming up now, which is good. Hopefully get a strong 5 closure, and then if we start closing above the highs again, then we should be good to TP. I'm pretty sure that DXY is coming back down. Or not. This is good. Actually, this is really good. The fact that DXY is not pumping or not dumping and we're still coming up in GU tells us that GU is pretty bullish right now. But again, anything could happen. The 15 minutes still has time to flip. If the 15 closes, that'd be even better because then we have another comp, which is amazing. So ideally the 15 closes with no bottom wick because there'll be both 2 comps with us. All right, the 5 closes at least. So we have a 5 comp, which is, I guess, something. All right, boys and gal. My positions always take way too long. All right, the 15 flipped on UJ. GU, if it closes 15 closes, I might send a signal with a smaller stop loss. Yeah, bro, go for it if you want to. It's a little risky, but go for it. UJ or AU, which one do you prefer the comp play? UJ. Definitely UJ. But it depends. It goes sometimes UJ, sometimes AU. It really depends. Different pairs have different like times, like different peaks. Sometimes UJ is better, sometimes AU is better. It depends on which pair is in season. Damn, chat. The 15-minute comp at 1.34873 got tapped on the 5-minute chart, but not on the 15-minute chart in general. It's like tapped on. That's like considered an untapped comp. If it's tapped on the 5 but not the 15, that's not valid. All right, we got 3 minutes for the 15 to close. If the 15 close with no bottom wick, we are good. We should be pretty good here. But this shit does not want to move, chat. I think I'm going to leave the stream with the position on because I swear to God, this shit does not want to move. Yo, I'm late to stream. What's your gold analysis? Move stop loss or break even? Not yet, not yet. Gold analysis. My gold analysis is sells from 3,347.2. I believe we're bullish for the day. I believe the bias is bullish. I believe we're going to tap at least up to 3,362, but not before we see a rejection off of this decision area right here. So that's my gold analysis. So expecting some sells from here and then buys from lower to fill the range. Something like this to happen. That's a quick analysis. I did a full analysis earlier, but we're currently in this position, so I can't spend too much time doing analysis. All right, boys. 1 minute and 40 seconds. I think we're probably gonna get the 15-minute comp. Holy shit, man! I'm starting to get tired, bro. I need like caffeine or some shit. I swear, caffeine doesn't even work that well. Overrated as fuck, in my opinion. Zin time, bro. Zin will just make me more tired, bro. That shit does not make me hype either. There's a few things that make me hype these days. I think I need like fucking... I think I need like fucking Coke or some shit. Like Coke, the drink. Obviously. Not the other thing. I mean, the other thing can't hurt. Maybe not. Beautiful 15-minute closure. Perfect, boys. This is looking good. This is looking real good. Do you add a position where another comp play out? No. In this case, there's no need because we already have a better entry. So why would we add another position? If the comp was like down here, we'd add another position. But since we literally have the better entry, we don't need to add another position here. But this is good, boys. This is good. Again, not gonna move stop loss break even yet because I do think you're gonna probably come down and tap the comp. And then once you reject off of this comp, then we can move stop loss or break even. But we've been sitting at $500 in profit for so long, bro. For too long. Move stop loss to the new low at least. Good idea. Good idea. Or we don't even need to move it to new low. If we're gonna move it, we'll move it to break even. If we're gonna move it. So we'll wait on it. We'll wait a little bit. We'll wait a little bit. A little bit. A little bit. Oh my days, bro. Can this just push? I swear it wants to push so bad. It's just teasing us. I know you want to go up, Gio. I know you want to go up. You know yourself you want to go up. Just push, bro. Let us get over this position. At certain points, chat. At certain points, like I want to be done with the position. Like this position is getting to that point where I'm like, oh, just do something. Just get over with. If 15 closes above, we're golden. Yeah, for sure. For sure. If 15 closes above, we're done. Like, this position is done. 15 closes above here. We have 11 minutes for that. So, long time left. Or long time in trading time. Why am I so tired, bro? I don't get it. Like, why am I yawning? What's the issue here, bro? I don't understand. How long have I been live for? Overslept? No, I definitely did not oversleep. I slept at 3 a.m. I woke up at 10. So that's like, what, 7 hours? Usually what I sleep. Okay, now we're pushing. Good fucking shit. Come on now. 5 minutes about to close very nicely. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Two-hour mark is about to be crossed. Yeah, but it's a 3-hour mark. The 3-hour mark is when shit gets started to get rowdy. When I've been live for 3 hours, guys, you guys know. For the boys that have been watching stream a long time. After we get past 3 hours of live, my brain starts to kind of shut down. And I can't think anymore. That's my max. I think 3 hours live streaming is my max. After that, it's just downhill. Oh, fucking hell, mate. Pushes, comes down, pushes, comes down, pushes. Look at this now. They're just dumping. All right, boys. Tapping into the second comp now. Let's see. Do P&L, that's true. Maybe I should do P&L instead. And then let's do some promo. Might as well fix the stream a bit since this trade is taking a fucking while. All right, I'm not sure what G wants to do here, boys. Another position on second comp. Why? Because we already have a better entry. So why would we enter a second position and get a worse entry? I'm already maxed out on my risk as well. I already have 1% risk on the stop loss. If I enter another position, that'll be 2% risk, which I don't want to do. All right, if we break these highs, then we move stop loss or break even, because then there should not be a single reason for us to rebreak the lows again. If we come up here and break these highs, I'll move stop loss break even, because there should not be a reason for us to come down again. Now this could be a retest. Now the compensation play has been, both of the compensation players are active. You've already retested the trend, so once you come back below here, there shouldn't be a point. There shouldn't be no point in you coming below if you're not gonna push down. So, please break the highs. We can move stop loss break even, and I can fucking get going because I have to leave in 20 minutes. I have to end stream in 20 minutes, chat. Oh my days, why is it taking so long to hit take profit? Please hit take profit already. We need a take profit. Are you streaming every day for private? Does this look fucking private to you? No. I'm not streaming private. I'm streaming for everybody. Not a great singer? Fuck you. I'm kidding. I apologize. I know I'm not a great singer. This position is just making me want to do illegal shit. No, but not every day. I would enjoy the stream on a daily bias. Okay. Well, if I stream here. I don't stream anywhere else. So, yeah. If I don't have time to stream, I don't stream at all. If I do have time to stream, I stream here. All right, boys! 5 minutes is breaking the high. Oh, no, it's not. Never mind. Why did it look so much closer to breaking the highs on the 50? But the 5 minutes is coming up at least. So we can move stop loss or break even here and be fucking stress free on this position, bro. This is taking too long. At least we haven't seen any drawdown. Or like very minimal drawdown. Which is pretty good on our psychology. Because I know chat would have been stressing. Oh my god. No. So. Guys, I'm fading away, chat. I'm fading away. When are you coming back to London? Never. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. To be honest, London was not my type of city. I'll be honest with you. Beautiful city, but it just wasn't my vibe. I'm gonna be honest with you. So probably I won't be coming back to London anytime soon, I wouldn't say. Seriously, yeah, seriously. It just wasn't I just didn't like the vibe currently. London wasn't my thing. I like calm cities, bro. I like calm people, calm cities. It was too much for me. What's your bias on gold today? Bullish. Alright, we broke the highs on the 5. Do we move stop loss or break even? We're back up to $800, bro. This position has been taking a toll on me. Mentally and physically. This position has taken a toll on me mentally and physically. I will never recover. I hit TP. Why did you not send a signal, Omar? Too risky. Oh, I see. It's okay. We're about to hit TP here as well. So at least our boys are making money today. Hold on, chat. Let me take my ADHD medicine. Take care, man. Gotta clean the toilet. Alright. Fucking hell, man. Good luck. Wish you all the best. How many trades do you usually take in a week? 4, maybe? Between 3 and 5. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Chat, I have to go in 11 minutes, chat. I have to go take a shower. Then I have to do some other shit. Then I have to drive all the way to the other side of the city. And then I have to go to some fucking party because someone's graduating university. And yeah. Ha 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 ha, Bard. What's up? When is your birthday? 9th of May. Okay, 5 close above. Beautiful. Now, that's all we need. Push. Any US30 analysis? Honestly, bro, right now, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I kind of fucking CBA. I'll look at it real quick, but dude, my brain is so fried, you don't even know. Looking bullish, that's all I'd say. Oh, or is it really looking bullish? Double top. You know what, bro? I feel like I would be doing you a disservice giving you an analysis at this state of mind. So I think it's better that I hold off on because I could give you an analysis, bro. But it wouldn't be the best because I'm super tired in my brain. Those gold shorts you were talking about taking later in the day yesterday paid me. Let's fucking go, boys. Well, can I find the link to the 20K funded for $20? Link in my bio. So go to link in my bio, nextlevelfunded.com, and you can find the 20 for 20 deal on nextlevelfunded.com. Remember, boys, if you guys would want to trade with me, if you guys want to be on stream, remember to get it funded from Next Level Funded, which is a prop firm that I'm the co-owner of. We've had multiple payouts. We're the fastest growing prop firm in the world. So go get your account. Use BD35 if you want 35% off any other account. Or you can buy a 20K account for $20 right now. The gold shorts, yeah, I think you're talking about these gold shorts. Oops. From here, right? From this void. Yeah. Let's fucking go, boys. This is what I'm saying. If you guys, a lot of people come to the stream and they just chill. But if you guys actually pay attention and you do the shit that I say, you get paid. It's that simple. You get paid. You make money. All right, we're currently up a rack. Currently up a rack. And we should see 2 racks here pretty soon. Or 1.8 at least. All good. Yeah, I'm sorry, Ryan. I swear to God, I would give you analysis, but I'm just, my brain does not work right now. Comp plays a lifesaver. Thanks for your invention. You're welcome. Thank you for supporting and using it. Without you guys, I would have never kept live streaming, and without live streaming, I would have never found out about the comp play. So we both played a part in this. Ah, come on. Are you going to reject now? At least the 15 is closing pretty well. I don't like this at all. The double top right there. I don't like it at all. Chat, I'm gonna go to take a quick shower. You know, let me move stop loss or break even here. There should be no reason for us to break these lows. Which GU is this in TV? CMC? What? What does that mean? I'm muted. I know. I was posting a story on Instagram. Fucking hell. Are we really going to come down to break even here, chat? Are you bullish past TP or GU? Do you expect a reversal? I expect a reversal. I'm still bearish on GU overall because if you look at the daily and the 4 hour, it looks, look at this. So I think the 4 hour will just come up, retest, right, this area, which will be our TP, and then it will probably do something like this. So I'm very, 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 very bearish on GU on the higher time frames. Alright, everybody, I know my hair is fucked up, but we're currently live streaming. And fucking hell, chat. Alright, boys, you know what we're gonna do? You know what we're gonna do, boys? So I want you guys, all of you guys, I want you guys to head over. Let me see. I think Spencer, the founder of Next Level Funded, is currently live. Yes, he is. So I want you all to go to his stream. Boom, right there. And I want you guys to flood his stream, alright? Everybody right here, let's go to his stream. Type WNLF. You guys will also get crazy offers from him. Probably a 10k giveaway at the end of it. Don't tell him I told you this. I pasted the link in chat. So Next Level Funded YouTube channel. He is live right now. Hello. All right, new candle opened. Huge volume coming up, coming here. Not huge volume, but it's moving pretty quickly. I ain't gonna lie. Boring. We prefer to watch you live, but that's what is price gonna do here, boys? What is price gonna do here, boys? What is price gonna do here, boys? That's not boring. That's the fastest growing prop firm in the world. So I would definitely check it out if you guys are interested in getting a funded account, because we are. The double top is EO. I know, it's really EO. It's really EO, but we close above on the 15 at least. Fuck, man, I really have to go. Oh my days, why are we still in a position, man? Why are we still in a position? Why is it taking so long? On God chat, I'm thinking of just closing this position. At this point. I would have held, but I swear to God, I don't have time. I really have to go. Fucking hell. Ah. Spencer praising you right now, bro. Hey, my guy, that's my fucking guy, boys. All right, we're upper rack, chat. Pushing nicely here. 1.1, 1.2, broke the highs. Come on now, keep pushing. 1.3k. All right, I'm gonna close there at 1.3k, chat, because I really have to go. All right, boys, I close full there at 1.3k in profit. I didn't let it run to full TP. This will definitely hit full TP. So if you guys are still in this position, I would suggest you guys can hold this to full TP. But yeah, I have to go. So thank you guys so much for watching. W fucking day. Let me see some W spamming in chat. If anybody caught this position, welcome to the channel. This is what we do every single fucking day. Anyways, boys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next stream. By the way, go to Next Level Funded stream. All right, go to Next Level Funded stream. Go to Spencer's stream. Go watch that shit. Go show him some love. Tell this from me. If you guys want me to do it, if you guys want to pay me somehow for this position, go to Spencer's stream. Go to the Next Level Funded stream. Be there. Be active in chat. Ask questions. But yeah, I just dropped it in the chat. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love y'all. Peace out.